Springdale Station, Massachusetts. Springdale Station was a New York, New Haven and Hartford Railroad station in the village of Springdale in Canton, Massachusetts. It was located on the Stoughton Branch. The station was built by the Old Colony Railroad at a cost of $1,200. It opened in October 1891. It replaced an older building built in 1855. In 1919, the building was used in the filming of the now lost silent film Anne of Green Gables, starring Mary Miles Minter. By the 1920s, improvements in local highways led to reduced service on the Stoughton Branch, with both Springdale and West Stoughton in danger of being closed. They and other low-traffic stations were further endangered by the New Haven's 1935 bankruptcy. By the late 1930s, service at Springdale was done to 4 weekday trains per day, handling a total of 11 passengers. The station was closed and demolished on July 1, 1940.